Good morning. Today we are going to make revision on unit 2 heat conduction, lesson 1 and lesson 2. Okay, dear students, you can open your book, page 20. You can open your school book, page 20. I will answer this exercise. Question number 1. Question number 1, complete. All metals are dots conductor of heat. All metals are metals are a yes, very good. Good conductor of heat. طيب. B, dots conductor heat faster than aluminium. We know the fastest metal to conduct heat is copper. بعدين aluminium, بعد كده iron. So which metal before aluminium? Which metal conduct heat faster than aluminium? Copper. Copper. طيب. C. Some examples of good conductors of heat are مين and مين good conductors heat conductors مين ومين iron okay ايه كمان okay copper ماشي aluminium right 4 or D some usage of good conductors of heat are ايه وايه cooking pot making cooking pots making cooking cooking pots وايه كمان electric iron ماشي طيب 5 some examples of bad conductors of heat are wood plastic okay ماشي air water طيب some usage of bad conductors of heat are handles of cooking pots وايه كمان ماشي woolen clothes ايه كمان ممكن handles of برضو electric iron very good طيب put right or wrong answer of put right or wrong put right or wrong number 1 or number A and correct A all materials are good conductors of heat wrong طبعا some materials are good conductors of heat عشان في عندي other materials are bad conductors طيب wood is good conductor of heat wrong طبعا wood is a bad conductor of heat او ممكن تشيل كلمة wood وتحط بدلها another good conductor like iron مثلا bad conductor C cooking pots are made of plastic wrong طبعا cooking pots must be made of heat conductor يبقى معمولة من ايه aluminium or stainless steel aluminium or stainless steel طيب D handles of cooking pots are made of copper and handles made of copper good conductor ازاي الهاندلز بتاعته made of good conductor wrong طبعا plastic or wood E aluminium is bad conductor of heat wrong طبعا aluminium is good conductor of heat او ممكن بدل بقى aluminium حط wood okay this is the answer of put right or wrong question number 3 give the scientific term 3 question number 3 provide the scientific term scientific term. Number 1, materials that let heat flow through. materials that let heat flow through مين هم دول؟ برافو conductors أو heat conductors. heat conductors. Number 2, materials that don't let heat flow through. heat insulators. heat insulator or bad conductor of heat. اللي هي مين؟ bad conductors of heat. طيب compare between good and bad conductors of heat. طيب هنعمل comparison between bad and good conductor of heat. Question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4, compare. طيب هنعمل كده تيبل كده خلاص ونكتب point of comparison BOC. ماشي بين between مين ومين؟ heat conductors. مين كمان؟ وهيت insulator. طب first comparison definition. definition ده ايه؟ heat conductors ايه؟ they are materials which allow or let heat to flow through. طيب الانسيوليتر don't allow heat. allow طبعا حاجة وهيت حاجة تانية. allow heat to flow through. طيب example زي مين؟ heat conductors iron, stainless steel, any metal. طب heat insulator wood, plastic, air, water, any bad conductor, any non-metal. طيب usage أو uses heat conductor use in ايه؟ cooking, pots. طيب heat insulator handles of cooking pots. اوكي ده كان الانسر of exercise exercise 2-1 exercise 2-1 page 20 page 20 school book اهو. طيب let's continue second lesson, lesson 2, measuring temperature. About thermometer, measuring temperature, page 28 book, page 28 exercise 2-2 page 28. Let's start. page 28. Page 28. Question number 1, complete. Complete number 1. Let's start. The scale of medical thermometer starts from dots and ends at dots. Scale of medical thermometer starts بإيه؟ Very good. 35 degrees Celsius لحد كام؟ 42 degrees Celsius. Very good. Number A. B. There is a constriction in the dots thermometer. في constriction in which thermometer? Medical or clinical? Medical thermometer. The same is clinical thermometer. The kinds of thermometers are, we have two kinds or two types of thermometers, which are number A, mean medical thermometer for measuring human body temperature, with Celsius thermometer for measuring liquids temperature. D, the Celsius thermometer is used in used in measuring liquids temperature. Used in measuring liquid temperature. طيب. Whereas the medical thermometer is used in measuring humans temperature. Measuring, اكتبها أفضل. Measuring خليها bodies temperature. Bodies temperature. ماشي. The thermometer is number E. Thermometer is device used to measure temperature. Thermometer بقى general. Thermometer device used to measure temperature. Device used to measure temperature. طيب. F, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and boiled at 100 degrees Celsius. طيب, put right or wrong. Question number 2 برضو, and correct the false. In the same page, put right or wrong. And correct. Question number 1. Number A, sorry. Question number A. The Celsius thermometer is used for measuring the temperature of human being. Celsius used to measure human being? No, Celsius for measuring liquids temperature. Number 1 wrong. أمال مين for human being? Which thermometer used to measure the human being temperature? Medical. Okay. يبقى يا اما تعمل كوريكت لكلمه ميديكال سيلزيوس تخليه ميديكال، يا اما تسيب كلمه سيلزيوس دي وتعمل كوريكت للهيومن بينج تخليها ليكويد. طيب بي، نمبر بي، the scale of medical thermometer medical starts from 0 until 300 sorry until 100 Celsius. wrong طبعا، ده مش الميديكال، امال ده مين؟ سيلزيوس. wrong. سيلزيوس. سي The medical thermometer is used for measuring the temperature of liquids. Wrong. مش الميديكال، امال مين؟ سيلسيوس. D. There is a constriction above the bulb in Celsius thermometer. في constriction في السيلسيوس؟ لا. constriction دي بتبقى في الميديكال، يبقى wrong. medical. E. The use liquid in medical thermometer is water. The used liquid in thermometer water. Mercury طبعا. Wrong. It's not water, it is mercury. Okay. Question number 3. Write the scientific term. Write the scientific term. Question number 3. Write scientific term. Number 1 or number A. A device used to measure temperature of liquids. Device used to measure temperature of liquid mean the Celsius thermometer. Celsius thermometer. B. Device used to measure temperature of a human being. Very good. مين ده؟ medical. خليه بقى clinical thermometer. مرة كده ومرة كده. C. Liquid used in making thermometer. مين؟ which liquid used in making thermometer؟ لسه قايلينه هنا اهو mercury. mercury. طيب. Question number 4. Compare between medical and Celsius thermometer in structure and usage. عايز comparison بين between الميديكال thermometer والسيلسيوس thermometer. ايه هي البوينت اوف comparison بتاعتي اللي انا هعملها عليه؟ structure and uses of each. Okay. Point of comparison medical and Celsius. Structure components بتاعته يعني. medical thermometer فيه ايه؟ ها mercury bulb. طب والسيلسيوس برضو mercury bulb. طيب في ايه تاني؟ thick glass tube. thick glass tube دي برضو thick glass tube. ايه كمان؟ capillary tube. وهنا ايه كمان برضو؟ capillary tube. تمام. both are the same except هنا في ايه؟ constriction. هنا في ايه؟ constriction. طب والميديكال؟ طب سوري السيلسيوس without constriction. no constriction. مش لازم بقى نكتبها خلاص. طيب ممكن نكتبها no constriction. طيب عايز ايه كمان point of comparison بعد الستراكشر؟ use. الميديكال for measuring ايه؟ humans body temperature. for measuring ايه؟ humans body temperature. مين ده؟ الميديكال يبقى الميديكال thermometer for measuring humans body temperature. طب والسلسيوس liquid temperature. طيب page 29. Let's start answering page 29. 29 بقى دي revision on the unit for both two lessons, heat conduction and thermometers أو and measuring temperature. Page 30, 29 and 30. طيب let's start كده page 29. Question number 1 complete. Number A, we measure temperature by using thermometers. Very good. B, dots is used in measuring temperature of different liquids. Celsius thermometer. لسه مجاوبين اهو. Celsius thermometer. ماشي. Whereas dots is used in measuring temperature of human body. مين؟ برافو. Medical. Medical thermometer. C, dots and dots are good conductors of heat. لسه قايلينه. iron خليه مثلا copper ومثلا ايه جولد. ماشي. او بلاش جولد خليه حاجة اسهل ستانلس ستيل. طيب ودي bad conductors of heat. ماشي. water. مين كمان؟ wood. لسه قايلينهم. write the scientific term. question number 2. scientific term. Number 1, device used to measure temperature. Thermometer. Thermometer. B, materials that allow the heat or allow the flow of heat inside. Heat conductors. C, materials that don't allow heat to flow or to flow of, sorry, the material that don't allow the flow of heat. Heat insulators. Heat insulator. طيب question number 3, write the most important uses of good and bad conductors of heat. We answered it before. طب let's see كده for uses of good conductors. قلنا ايه؟ electric iron و cooking pots or cooking pans. طيب ايه كمان في ال bad conductors of heat؟ handles of cooking pots or handles of cooking pans. وايه كمان؟ woolen clothes. ماشي. بعدين عندي two paragraphs. التو paragraphs دول هما زي كأنهم يعني comparison between the medical thermometer وال Celsius thermometer. We answered them before. بس حتى يعني ممكن medical thermometer وال Celsius thermometer we will answer it now again عشان في 2 points extra. طيب قلنا uses of medical thermometer used to measure human body temperature. طب ال Celsius thermometer used to measure ايه؟ liquid temperature. structure الاثنين both of them فيهم ايه؟ mercury bulb. both of them contain thick glass tube capillary tube طب ايه بقى الديفرنت بينهم؟ ان الميديكال ثرمومتر فيه كونستريكشن، لكن السيلزيوس ثرمومتر without constriction. طيب يوزد ليكويد، الاثنين فيهم انهي ليكويد؟ ميركوري. طب السكيل، scale of medical thermometer from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. طب والسكيل اوف سيلسيوس from 0 to 100 degrees Celsius. page 30. put right or wrong. برضو and correct. and correct. Number A, medical thermometer is used in measuring temperature of different liquids. Wrong. Celsius. B, the scale of Celsius thermometer starts from 35 to 42. Wrong برضو. medical. C, aluminium is bad conductor of heat. wrong. aluminium is good conductor of heat. ممكن بدل aluminium تحط wood أو plastic. D, wood is good conductor of heat. wrong. bad conductor. The last question, give an explanation for each of the following. يعني give reason بما معناه يعني. طيب number A, question number 6, mercury is used in making thermometer. Why we use mercury? في 5 reasons. number 1, good conductor of heat. number 1, good conductor of heat. طيب question number 1. B في doesn't stick to the wood. C, expands regularly. Gives wide range in measuring temperature. E, can be seen. طيب number B أو سؤال number 2, question number 2, the handles of cooking utensils are made of wood or plastic. because wood is bad conductor of heat, so it doesn't allow heat to flow through. طيب C, cooking utensils are made of stainless steel or aluminium because stainless steel أو aluminium is good conductor of heat, So it allows heat to flow through. Last question. There is a constriction. There is a constriction in medical thermometer. Number 4. To prevent mercury from returning back quickly to the mercury bulb. So this is a complete revision from your school book on unit 2 all heat conductors and insulators, وكمان lesson 2 اللي هو measuring temperature. Thank you so much and good luck.